What's going on, real ones? BCHQ, back with another reaction. We got Kojaque, I don't know if I'm saying that right, with White Noise. This is a live version of it, so let's go. I've never heard of these guys before, so let's check it out. Alright, bit of trumpet already. Not trumpet, saxophone, my bad. It's very instrumental already. This guy's looking serious.
I'm just a north side DC baby. Me mammy raised me, but a horse riding
He's Irish, yeah? Alright. I'm glad that we've got something different on the channel. I'm hearing that Irish accent. Let's go.
When the sun's out, suns come knocking teeth. I change, I hope it comes soon. So don't know you, but know your cousin.
But change, I hope it comes soon. Alright. Struggles.
Also, housing crisis crazy. When the sun's out, suns come knocking teeth. I change, I hope it comes soon. So don't know you, but know your cousin. Die a new day.
On about housing crisis.
I know you, but know your cousin, die a new day. Where you from, yeah, where you from, yeah, where's your headrest? That's 2 steps the wrong direction, don't you be here. Say that postcode wrong, I wanna
Man
break
spitting.
you.
Like, just coming with that factual fucking just barring.
Headrest, that's 2 steps the wrong direction, don't you be here. Say that postcode wrong, I wanna break you. My home's broken, there isn't love and I'll equate you. Take you down like mathematics when the shoes break. We tie loose ends, toss the fuckers on the phone line. Hope you come late night to pick the green up. Take your money and break your teeth just like my dreams were. Like they came.
Take your money and break your dream. What did he say? Take your money and break your teeth just like my dreams were.
Take your money and break your teeth just like my dreams were. Like they came and tossed my mother in the 4-door. Wheeled her off.
His mum got kidnapped, yeah? Wow. And now he's got brought up foster care.
Throw me, smoke them trees inside the Civic with the doors locked. It's nature nurture, it's a habit, it's a routine. Weekly standoffs in the streets with she a corner. Guard the peace, but lock me up just for the peace tree. Read my rights, so what's the crime? Intend to smoke that? Half round baggy, I could supply myself a blowback. Who come buying for me? They wanna trump the charge up, just one more knacker up off the streets. What they say, right? Read my rights, they wanna kill me cause an accent. Hold that purse a little tighter when I ask them. What's the time? I'll go Mercedes when you know me. I had dreams, open sticks and jumping countries. Took that from my hands and with my mind left. Fuck that stress, I don't need love, I need the dope, man. Fuck the meds, I don't need that, I need the smoke, man. Fuck the plebs, the rich are calling off the piss bar. Keep the news just in, this public discourses. Racehorse pissing up on the steps in the cathedral. Sovereign state, they're not that see my mother bleed out the.
It's into the passion now. If we need it, we're gonna get it. Fuck the handouts. Talk your shit.
And everybody watch me drown them. White trash, white noise, we just ignore it till it drowns out. Never gonna drown out. Never gonna drown out.
Wow, that was powerful, man. Like the passion he had in that.
Outside of Dublin City, the incident around 4 a.m. on Saturday morning. CCTV footage obtained from the shop front shows 2 men attempting several times.
Mad. Definitely a pass. Refreshing to see someone new that kills it. But as I said, the passion that shined the most through everything. Like, there's performance and everything there, but the passion, you could tell that he's been through some stuff. So definitely a pass from me. Shout out to everyone supporting. Don't want to fuck with the real ones.